Hello, welcome to my video, and in this video I am going to show you how to hatch on a shaded cut surface. And so obviously if I wanted to do a cutaway, and I could do a drawing, I could create a Solidworks drawing and shade in a view, line drawing view, and with no shading, and do a cut or a section and have that cutaway view, not necessarily a modeled cut. Yeah, so exactly. A modeled cut does not get hatched. And the shaded sections don't get hatched. So if I have the shaded color model and I want to do a cutaway that's hatched, there's no automatic. But I'll show a pretty easy way to do that. I'm going to show it two ways. All right, that's what I just decided right now. I'm going to show it two ways. So first way, I'm going to show it like so, and let's put a radius on here. That didn't work. Sometimes I forget my own shortcuts. And let's make that bigger radius. This is going to be quick, not drawn out. So I'm going to show this two ways. Yeah, I just decided. I'm going to show this two ways. I'm going to show the hatching technique first, and then I'll show a better way to do the cutaway. So that's a quick, easy way to do the cutaway. Let's put another radius here. What did I make that radius? 0.5 maybe? Yeah, it looks like it was 0.5. This is actually, it's about as good as I was going to show otherwise, so this could be good enough. So anyway, so I have this cutaway, and you can't really tell that it's you can't really see it very well because it's not hatched. So anyway, so here's the whole purpose of this video. We go to appearances, we go to miscellaneous, we go to studio materials. Let's see. Let me drag you. There you go. I have my screen shrunk down to 1080p for this video, and maybe if it's even smaller than 1080p. I think it is actually smaller than 1080p. Why would I do that to myself? Well, anyway, it's recording, so we're going to call it good enough. So anyway, so I'm in miscellaneous, studio materials, and that is not the correct pattern. Miscellaneous pattern. And then I'm going to go to screw thread here, and I'm going to drag this onto this surface, but I'm not done yet. When I let it go, I'm going to have these choices to make. So that's the face. So as you can see, it's only doing the one face, and here I have the feature. Oops, I accidentally clicked. Now I have the feature, or I have the body, or I have the entire part. And so I'm going to go with feature, because that's going to select almost all of those. It didn't select this guy. Oh, it's because it's a different feature. And so I'm going to copy this appearance here, and then I'm going to right click on this surface and paste appearance here. And so now, oops, and then I have to select either the face or the feature. All right, and then I'm going to go into my appearances, and I'm going to select this here, and I'm going to right click. I'm going to say edit appearance, and then I'm going to go into mapping, and I'm going to go advanced, and I'm going to change this from automatic, because I don't think I can do an angle on automatic, right? So I'm going to change this from automatic to surface, and then I'm going to go down to angle, and I'm going to say 45. And see what that gets me. Yeah, that's nice. So now it's all hatched 45 degrees. Haha, look at this guy. It's reversed. So I'll fix that one. It's because it's two different features, and it proved me wrong because that's the same feature and that one's reversed. So we'll reverse those. I'm going to say OK on this, and I'm going to select this guy and this guy manually. What did I do? this guy and edit this face, and go to mapping, and I'm going to change this to 90 plus 30 plus 45, which is 135. No, actually I want 180 plus 45, which would be 225. And it didn't do anything. That's cool. Alright, let's try that again. Right click this, edit this mapping, and change this to, oh no, that's because I was right the first time. 90 plus 45, not 180 plus 45. Duh. So that's 135. And now you can see we have a slight misalignment. We're going to call that perfect enough. No. I'll show you how to fix that. Or at least close enough. So can I do it this way? No. Whoa. Now I broke it. Look at that. Alright, so we're just going to copy this appearance again, paste this appearance, and here, and then I have to, like I say, I have to edit to reverse it. Interesting, I have two of these now. I'm going to get rid of that guy. And I'm going to say, edit this, and I'm going to go to mapping. I'm going to change the angle to 135. And that is almost lined up, but it's not. I don't want to change the size, but I do want to adjust the position. I don't generally use these wheels here, but in this case it was easy, and that lined it up just about perfectly. Looks like the scale is slightly different. Oh, isn't that special? I'm going to call that just about perfect enough. And this guy needs to be reversed also. So I'm going to edit this. And here. And we'll go to mapping. Down to my angle. Call it 135. What? I don't understand what happened there. Go back to 45. Oh, it is changing the entire feature. So I have to do this a little bit differently. Let's go back to 135, and that. No, can I undo that? Control Z. Yep. So these guys are all going this way, and it's reversed on the other side. But this one is being difficult because it's in the same group. So I'm going to instead, I'm going to do this one individually, and I'm going to go back into my what do you ever call this, in my appearances, and I'm going to grab the screw thread and I'm going to put it on this face, but I'm only going to put it on this face, not on the feature. So previously I'd done the feature, so this time I'm going to do just this face, and then I'm going to edit it, and then I'm going to go mapping and surface, and 45. How's that look? Wrong direction. So we go 135. 135. And then that's the correct direction, but obviously the scale is off. But we can work on that. Grab this wheel. And, oh no, that's just changing the position. What am I talking about? Go back to 0. Fixed aspect ratio is checked, so I should be able to just scale this up. And that's very close. We're going to call that good enough that nobody will notice when I zoom out. And so that's looking pretty good. And I guess that's all that I wanted to do in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And like, subscribe, share, comment, heckle, whatever you prefer. And thanks for watching.